Hello, happy Sabbath everyone. My name is Stephen Kaisi Valdez and I'm going to testimony today. I was born hearing impaired. In both ears, my right ear has severe hearing loss and my left ear has moderate hearing loss. Growing up was not easy. One of the biggest challenges I faced growing up was in my study. Because of hearing impairment, it was not easy to follow lessons in class. There were times when I could not clearly hear my teacher and I had to work twice as hard just to understand what others could easily grasp. There were no moments I struggled to understand conversation to keep up with others, and sometimes I felt different or left out. Sometimes I felt frustrated and left behind. But in those difficult times, I learned to persevere. I learned to be patient with myself. I learned to put in extra effort, reviewing lessons, asking for help, and not giving up easily. Most importantly, I learned to rely on God. Whenever I felt discouraged, I held on to His promise. In Philippians 4:13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Slowly, I realized that my struggle and trial was not there to stop me, but it was there to strengthen me. My challenge in studying taught me discipline, determination, and faith. And now I'm graduating of Bachelor of Science, Hospitality and Restaurant Management, specializing in culinary art in Philippines Women's University. And today, I can say that every difficulty and trial I face help shape who I am now. God did not remove the challenges and trial, but turned it to be a blessing and gave me a strength to overcome it. All the glory belongs to God. Happy Sabbath. Thank you and God bless.